Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your system, create a full backup and a restore point, and make or switch to a local administrator account so you keep control. Once done, sign out of your Microsoft account in Settings and remove any Microsoft apps you installed through Settings right arrow apps. Make sure to document which apps you uninstall. This avoids accidental data loss. Now, proceed to disable syncing and telemetry in privacy settings before deeper removals, so your system behaves predictably. Next, you tackle built-in components. Open PowerShell as administrator and run targeted get apps, package all users and remove apps package commands for bundled apps you don't want. Be selective. Then uninstall OneDrive using settings or its setup. exe/uninstall switch and remove or unregister Microsoft Edge using the official uninstall routine from an elevated prompt. While doing this, disable related services and scheduled tasks so nothing respawns. Take it step by step and reboot. To finish, convert your sign-in to a local account and fully remove the Microsoft account in account settings. This severs cloud sync. Carefully clean leftover registry keys only after exporting backups, and delete residual program folders and program files and app data. Set alternative default apps and verify system updates are working. If something breaks, reboot to safe mode and use the restore point or your backup to revert changes. That single troubleshooting step usually recovers a system quickly. Don't skip it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.